How to fix SoFi direct deposit not working. If you're having this issue within the SoFi platform, the first thing that you need to do is verify your routing or account number. So this is the most common reason why transactions fail or the transfer fail. So in this situation, as I said, you simply need to open up the mobile application of SoFi, head over to the banking page, and then simply head over to your checkings or savings account depending upon what you have. And within this option, you'll be able to find both your routing and the ACH number. So make sure that the details that you provided to your employer or your payroll provider is correct. So if you have just set up or changed your direct deposit, the delay is usually on your employer side rather than the SoFi system. So you need to wait out 1 to 2 days in order for the funds to get deposited. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, what you'll lastly need to do is contact the support team of SoFi. So from the application as well, you'll be able to head over to the profile icon and simply head over to the live chat of the customer service, and they will help out to solve this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.